And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the J3As, on Tuesday confirmed with TVJ Sports that no sanction will be levied on the two female members of Jamaica's mile relay team who were said by technical leader Don Quarry to have been involved in a verbal altercation at this summer's IAAF World Championships in London. President of the J3As, Dr. Warren Blake, says the decision not to impose any sanction on Sharika Jackson and Stephanie McPherson comes after all the respective reports were recently assessed by the executive.
Not really a fight as Jamaicans understand, because as Jamaicans understand, when you have a fight, blows are thrown and, it's thumps and kicks and blows. In the American parlance, when you have a fight, even a verbal discourse, heated verbal exchange, is considered a fight. And I think it was more just a heated exchange than any fist being thrown. So the reports really didn't point to any need for any further action with respect to that.
Meantime, Dr. Blake says a decision on what criteria will be used to select the nation's teams to the World Indoor Championships in Birmingham, England from March 1 to 4 and the Commonwealth Games on the Gold Coast in Australia in April is still being finalized. J3's president, Dr. Warren Blake, as we said, we spoke with him earlier on the day.
Goes to the World Championship bronze medalist, Sharika Jackson, but Stephanie McPherson wins her first.
It is progressing. We have a draft selection criteria, and it's been posted on the selection committee's intranet, for want of a better word. And once that is done, and that is going to be done in this week, we are going to collate the comments and then put up a final draft on our website.